Look, outboard gear does not have to be complicated, but sometimes some extra features can make them unique in their own way. And today, I'm gonna show you one of my most unique units. Deven here with another Drastic Truth experience. You like my new glasses? This is the Electrix Filter Factory. It's an analog filter processor with a few tricks up its sleeve. I've definitely used this on a few mixes in the past, and I gotta tell you, it is so fun to use. The Filter Factory is a hardware filter unit with modulation controls and a built-in distortion. On the left side of the unit is the distortion section called Buzz. Okay, I hate the name, love the sound. Next, we have the filter section. It's an entirely stereo filter and utilizes multiple filter types, as well as resonance control. There's also a 4-pole option for mono processing. Then there's the LFO section, where you can control how the filter modulates and at what speed. There are 4 LFO wave types and various depth controls, and then a mix knob to finish it off. My favorite thing about this unit is the distortion and the resonance control. Coupled together, you can make the gnarliest filter sweeps you've ever heard. Personally, I prefer using this unit over plugins because 1, it really does have a very unique sound. And 2, having a hands-on tool like this makes mixing so much more magical. It gives you a whole new meaning to mixing because it feels like an instrument when you mix rather than just setting a couple of numbers and knobs. So let me show you some uses of this. I posted this video to my story not too long ago, and it really captures a moment where I felt like I was using an instrument to mix. And one of the coolest things about this unit is that it's completely MIDI compliant. So instead of having to write down all of your settings because it's a hardware unit, everything can be recalled via MIDI within the project. So if you did like a frequency sweep during the song, that can be recorded to MIDI and then recreated later if you want to change it up just a little bit, like maybe tweak the time it takes for you to sweep it, whatever. Like all of your real-time adjustments can be readjusted through automation. That's amazing. Using this device is pretty special to the person changing the parameters, so I highly recommend finding one of these and trying it out for yourself. I honestly don't think anyone will understand its magic until they actually get their hands on it. Hell, it can even be used like a lame-ass high-pass filter on like a vocal bus or something. I mean, it's cool. Once you start using it, it really does feel like driving for the first time. I mean, the control over sound is so amazing with something like this. Anyway, if you have any other pieces of gear or plugins you'd like to see on this channel, leave it in the comments for me. After you like the video, of course. And you never know if we're gonna have the same quirky tools to use or not. Might as well give it a shot. What if you end up having something I have? I might put it on the channel, put it on blast. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.